One of the most common questions I'm asked when speaking to groups or with patients who come into the Koala Center is this: is there a solution to my excessive snoring or that of my partner? The short answer is yes, there absolutely is. But before I describe how snoring can be remedied, first let me clarify that snoring is often a symptom of a more serious medical condition known as sleep apnea. That is a term that literally means without breath and refers to the stopping of someone's breathing for 10 seconds or more while they sleep. That noise that we call snoring is actually the person's body reacting to the lack of oxygen and struggling to catch a breath. If untreated, it can cause more serious health problems and even lead to a heart attack. Here are a few of the symptoms that we often see in patients with a consistent snoring condition: gasping, coughing, or choking when you wake up, feeling tired during the day, memory or concentration problems, difficulty losing weight, feeling irritable or short-tempered. As you can see, snoring is more than just an annoyance. It can have health implications throughout our day. So here's the bottom line question: is there a medically safe way to treat snoring? The answer is yes, by using an oral appliance. An oral appliance is a small device that is worn in the mouth while you sleep. They are like a mouth guard that athletes use, require no surgery or drugs, and are completely painless. Here's an example of an oral appliance. Each appliance is custom fitted for your mouth and jaw position. It is actually effective because it repositions the lower jaw and tongue, allowing an open airway for normal breathing while you sleep. Our experience here at the Koala Center is making individually customized oral appliances and helping our patients stop snoring. Your appliance is frequently covered by your health insurance, and we accept all insurance programs, including Medicare. If you'd like to know more, you can find us online at www.abqsleep.com, where you can learn about our complete program to help you stop snoring, or just give us a call at 505-433-2107. Snoring isn't just an inconvenience. It could be a symptom of a more serious health issue. Let us help you know for sure and finally get a great night's sleep.